Want Dola AI to automatically organize your schedule and keep track of your upcoming events? The first thing you should do is connect your Google Calendar. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to link your Google Calendar to Dola AI, verify the connection, and make sure everything syncs correctly. So let's get started. Start by opening the Dola AI website or mobile app and signing in to your account. If you haven't created an account yet, complete the registration process first before continuing. Once you're signed in, look for the Settings, Integrations, or Calendar Connection section. The exact location may vary depending on the version you're using, but you're looking for the option to connect a calendar. Select Google Calendar from the list of available calendar services. Dola AI will redirect you to Google's secure sign-in page so you can authorize the connection. Choose the Google account you want to connect. Then carefully review the permission request and click Allow if you're comfortable with the access being requested. These permissions let Dola AI view or manage your calendar, depending on the features you use. After authorization is complete, you'll return to Dola AI. Look for a confirmation message or an indicator showing that your Google Calendar is now connected successfully. To make sure everything is working, create a simple calendar event or reminder inside Dola AI. Then check your Google Calendar to see if the event appears. If it does, your sync is working correctly. If you connect multiple calendars, review your sync preferences and choose which calendar Dola AI should use by default. You can also disconnect and reconnect your Google account later if you ever need to update your permissions. And that's how to connect Google Calendar to Dola AI. With your calendar linked, you'll enjoy smarter scheduling, automatic event management, and more accurate reminders. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more helpful guides, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.